Welcome to Farm Tech. Today we're going to explore the most amazing moments of corn harvesting in famous regions like the Midwest of the USA, Brazil, and India. Get ready to be amazed by vast fields and modern harvesting machinery. First, let's visit Iowa. This place is known as one of the top corn-producing areas in the USA. Let's take a look at the lush green cornfields that stretch all the way to the horizon. Look at that! The modern combine harvesters are working efficiently. With advanced technology, they can harvest tons of corn in a short time. Isn't that impressive? Do you see those golden corn kernels are being harvested and stored in the hopper, ready for transportation? The corn in Iowa is not only delicious but also of excellent quality, serving both domestic needs and exports. Now, let's move on to Illinois. This state is also known for its corn production. Let's check out the cornfields that are glowing with golden hues during harvest time. Can you see? The modern machinery is working at lightning speed. The sound of the harvesters fills the air, creating a bustling and energetic atmosphere. Now let's head to Indiana. The cornfields here are truly vast. Farmers in Indiana are always ready for the harvest season, filled with excitement. Let's take a look. After being harvested, the corn kernels are carefully packaged. Corn in Indiana is not only tasty, but also serves as a primary food source for livestock. Isn't that amazing? Let's explore Nebraska. The cornfields here are stunning, especially with the sunlight shining down. Let's take a closer look. The combine harvesters are working continuously, collecting those ripe golden corn kernels. The atmosphere is truly filled with energy and excitement. fly over to Brazil. In the Mato Grosso region, this is where most of Brazil's corn is produced. Let's take a look at the green cornfields and the modern machinery in action. Look at that! The machines in Brazil are not only fast, but also very precise in harvesting corn. This helps increase productivity and ensure product quality. Finally, let's head to India. The cornfields here are abundant, especially in the Karnataka region. Let's admire the beauty of the cornfields in this area. Even though technology is advancing, many farmers in India still use traditional methods. They harvest corn with modern machinery combined with their skills. Exciting moments of corn harvesting from different regions around the world. We hope you had fun and appreciated the importance of corn in modern agriculture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on more exciting videos. See you next time.